I'm Letha Wilson. I'm an artist. I've been working at the MakerspaceCT here for a couple months. So this project, these are sculptural photographs. And so they're all photographs I've taken, and I have them printed directly onto steel that was pre-cut and then actually folded in the break here at the shop and then weld them together. So it's a very nice skill to do all the parts of the process basically myself now that I've learned how to weld here. Just doing MIG welding and kind of holding them together. So these are going to be shown at GRIMM Gallery in New York City. They're opening a new space in Tribeca. Should be around in like 2 weeks. Yeah. This is an image from Zion National Park. This is that was a photo from Yellowstone. Yes, and I've been working with really questioning and pushing landscape photography and how it can be a material, how as a sculpture it better represents the kind of original site you're at. I'm very interested in this relationship between synthetic and natural. I like working with, what is like the image of nature versus the metal of steel, or using industrial materials such as pipe. This piece, the pipe, bisects the two images, and I don't know, just the sort of complex relationship we have with the natural world. It's not straightforward. It's complicated.